Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient stroke to any element in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content new. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just add a new page, add the same image, positioning to the center is good. So as you can see, we have the same image without any stroke. So if you just click on the image, we have this menu here and we have stroke style. We can add the stroke with any weight. I just would add a bit higher weight to make this gradient more visible. And because of it, we have an additional color here. This is a stroke color. So if I just click on it and just scrolling down, we have the default gradient colors. So see all. I can use any gradient if I want. Some of them are good, some of them are not that good. But if we would like to use our own and make it a bit more unique, or actually if we have to match with our brand colors or any element in the image, we can still do it. So go into the add new color, and here changing from the solid color to gradient. And now I will have to change to like I will have to do with some black, and why not now it's white from up to down. As you can see, now it's a bit boring, but we can play a bit. So if I just increasing this to white and moving the black to the right and also increasing, so just moving back to the left side, this one, yes. So you can see I created this black white gradients, or maybe this is not that visible. This would have to add some like some yellow, which is not good because it's not visible. Okay, keep it with a red. Okay. Of course, this is just a demonstration how it works, so you still can play around it. As you can see, from the black to the white to the red, and back to the white and also to the black. And of course, we can play with the style. How we would like to have these gradients, which direction, which angle. Actually, we have these 5 presets, so this one we cannot really change more, but this is already something what we can play on it. But I think it's already something really, really nice. And if you would like to have a bit more, like this white, I just add other 2 whites, and like this. In this case, you can see the white is a double size of the other color, so I have more white. So this is how we can make something unique if you want, or if we like to have like just the black and white, and just would like to have a small black in the top and white. We just need to add, I will show you, I think this is the easiest way. So back, so this one, the red, I would have to kill it. And the black, I just move it. First I move the black even, Okay, what's happened again? Nothing really nice. So going back to here. Yes, now it's working. So as you can see, I just have double size the four white ones and two blacks. So as you can see, the black is just in the top and start the gradients here. But if you have more, I can already delete the second black, and as you can see, just writes a really small portion. So this is how we can play with this gradient what we're creating for the strokes, or actually on any element for anything in a Canva where we can do the gradients. We have to do it, we can do it in the same way. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm, our best friend, and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you're struggling anything in a Canva or just have any question about Canva, just let me know in a comment section. I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, so you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in TikTok and Instagram pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.